Right. Louise, what happened at 5 a.m. on the 23rd of October?
No comment.
Were you driving at that time, Louise?
No comment.
I'm going to speak to you about a witness statement which has been provided to us, and he basically stated at 5 a.m. he heard loud voices and a man shouting on the road. The male then crossed the road and he has reached the road by the zebra crossing. He's witnessed a car turn around at the junction and drive in the direction they had just come from. Further stated, the car was picking up a lot of speed. The man just stood in the middle of the road. He has witnessed a car hit the man in the middle of the road, and he heard a very loud sound which is described as awful. Describing the man who has been hit off his feet and completely knocked back around 45 feet. This is a statement from the gentleman. I'm not an expert in distances, Louise, but 45 feet is a fair distance, isn't it? Okay, for a person to be knocked that far.
No comment.
Do you have anything to say about that?